this. I just wanna see if you can handle it. I need front, back, side to side. Take it down low, pick it back up high. Okay, work it out. Make that thing go north to south.
Low-key been in bed for like ages. It's 10:30 right now and I kind of have to get up. But I don't want to when I have to clean my bedroom and pack. Life is hard and I'm low-key kind of hungry. But I'm too lazy to get up and get food, so bye. What up? What's back? What's good in the hood? I'm Alana. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I felt like vlogging, just showing you my awesome day. So yeah, let's get into it. With this morning and last night, like for the second time, and I was like, oh my god, this is like low-key cute, but like low-key kind of like unrealistic. But then I was like kind of cute, so like I liked it. So yeah, watched that, and then I watched Sham Charles' video, like him making his own makeup. And now I'm looking at my room and it's really messy, so I'll show you guys. But I'm low-key not gonna clean it up because I'm lazy. Yeah, don't trash a smoothie from this morning. Yes, I ate food in bed. Oh, honestly, I give up. And I forgot to say I'm making healthy chocolate gingerbreads right now. So I'm just going to put a jumper on because it's kind of like cold downstairs. And like I'll give you guys like a little cooking with me. I'm actually like really excited. And I've got to shop for food for outdoor ed camp because we have to make our own food. We're going to Wilson's prom. I think I'm going to vlog that. I'm actually going to be really pumped. I'm going to vlog that. I don't care. Yeah, I'm bringing my own tent. It's going to be awesome. And yeah, I will bring you guys into it. Bye. FYI, Sundays for me are literally like chill Sundays because Sundays is the day I get off from working out and it's classified as my cheat day when I just like eat whatever I want whenever I want though. But yeah, there's a Sportsco bag there. I got this really cute dress from Sportsco that's coming up in a haul when these leggings that I got for like, oh my god guys, I'm like such the bargain hunter. I got these leggings. So wait for that haul that comes up probably like, no next week, maybe like the week after. I don't know. You'll watch it at some point. But yeah, I am rambling and I gotta get going. Yeet. Give you guys ingredients. I just grabbed a raspberry kombucha though. But what you need is you need some butter, coconut sugar, buckwheat flour, baking powder, so you need some healthy cocoa, but I just grabbed that, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. And just for like the little icing and like writing on the gingerbreads, I'm gonna use icing sugar with water. So enjoy me kind of like cooking, I guess, like slay. Yes, I'm wearing jokes, I hit my DIY Gucci slacks that are like kind of like low-key falling apart. Rip. Oh well though, yeah, enjoy me cooking, I guess. I have 3 cookie cutters, but I'm not really sure which one I want to do, but I'm kind of leaning towards that one. But this one may be more like fun because it's like, yeah, I'll probably do this one. Coolies. My working station. I low-key just kind of found out that I have to let the dough rest for 2 to 4 hours. This is why healthy cooking sucks. B4, so the butter, coconut sugar, vanilla extract. After. So I put creamy. I finished cooking the things. Well, I have to wait till they're like what's it called, like done freezing or whatever. So I'm just having apple and peanut butter. I don't care how much peanut butter is too much, but I'm having it. And I'm gonna make banana bread and it's gonna be awesome. I'm watching Gilmore Girls, but do you know how I am feeling about this outfit? I kind of look like a nun. I don't know, like these pants with this black top. I don't know. I low-key like don't know what to wear literally every single day, so I'm gonna look through my pants. These ones? Should I? May as well. I'll be back. I don't know how I feel about this look. I don't know. Oh my god, I hate fashion. Honestly, I need a stylist. I just feel like it doesn't work. Like, like I could like tuck it. Oof. This is why I hate fashion. I got a plan. Jumper it, single it, done. This is the outfit of the day. What up? I cleaned my room a bit and I'm gonna put my Gucci slides on and check the banana bread. This is a look.
Oh.
Wait, shut up!
Oh, this is.
Where's the cat? Oh, use this as her calling, being like.
You're upsetting her. That'll do.
No, I've got a really good song. I'm about to make like 3,000 boxes with this.
I had my first crush in season 2. She'd pass me notes and fill our hands with glue. And in my corduroys we'd walk to school. I sat and crossed my legs like Jim would do.
I just made all of them. I finished the cookies. This is what they look like. Those two are my favorite. Yeah. These two heads fell off. So you're allowed as many as you want. We're at the grocery store now. Actually, the supermarket. Actually, we're at Woolworths. What's new? This is our shopping list. Lit fun. Oh my god, we're so fat. I'm gonna give you guys a little food haul of what we got at Woolworths for camp, but I just wanted to show you this really cute candle I got. It was only $12 and I was like, oh my god, it smells amazing balls. Like, honestly, it's so good. It's West Indian lime and coconut. It's pure soy wax with essential oils and it's only 200 grams. $12, that's so good. Usually like the candles I buy like probably like I don't know, like 15 to like 40. Like that's the 40 ones, like the really good ones, which I only have one of. But anyway, I ramble on too much. But it's really good. It looks like this. I'd really recommend it. You can get it from Woolworths. And they also had another flavour, which is like really good. I was kind of low-key debating if I should get it, but I'm not, so I'm gonna light it now for you guys. Bye. Sorry about the little setup, but I will give you guys a food haul. It's croissants, bananas, lettuce and carrot, because the croissants and bananas Lily's getting, and the carrots and lettuce are in the fridge. Oh, plus the falafels, they're in the fridge. But first off, I kind of added this to the list. Sorry, Lily and Sophie. I had to, you know, it's my favourite drink, but in lemon. It's a new drink bottle. This is the lemon flavoured Next Bar. Honestly, love this shit to the gods. It's only 5 calories, but 250 mils and no sugar, so it's literally just naturally sparkling water. It's purified sparkling water, actually, with natural sweetener. Next, I got a torch. This is not included in it, but that was for me for camp. We wanted chocolate. This chocolate was not on sale. This is like the best chocolate ever. It's Dairy Milk Oreo. It's $5. Next, my favorite things in the world. These things to die for. love them. You see me eat them all the time. I would eat like the whole packet in a day. Like honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna survive not eating all of this like today. To buy some Vegemite scones. They weren't wholemeal because they didn't have wholemeal, they only had white, so I was a little bit concerned. But we're gonna have to make do with what we got. Next I had to get muesli bars. I didn't really know which muesli bars to get, so I just got these Uncle Toby's Chewy. I was supposed to get one, but no, Mum got 2 tissues. Got this really good pasta. It's high in fibre. I wanted to get some fun, colourful pasta, and then Mum was like, oh no, that's like tomato and like spinach flavour. And I was like, no thanks. Toothpaste for myself. This is only $2. I was like, steal. Yeah, it's Oreberry, blah blah blah. This one's good, way better than Colgate. Sorry, don't come for me or my brand. We're trying to be fatties on this camp, so I got Skittles. These are also like $5. So I was like, no. Being unhealthy is like expensive, honestly. We got some tomato, onion, and pastels. This is huge. Like, this is honestly really huge. I had to get some, I don't know, it's a trolley, toilet bag, whatever. We get Band-Aids, love that. There was no smaller amount of rice we could get, so I had to get 12. Oops. Apples. Yeah, hope you enjoyed my food haul. I still got some stuff downstairs, but yeah. Favourite thing ever. When Dad and I tried to find it, didn't have this flavour. They had the choc chip one. We went today to the supermarket to get it. Was sold out, and then Mum went to another one and got it. Oh my god, yes! Love her. Oh my god. If I told you I was good at drawing, what would you think? Oops, I guess. That's my attempt of drawing a hoodie. I just did the Kylie Jenner lip challenge. Oh my. Oh, holy. Oh my god, this is actually kind of making me sad about my teeny top lip and kind of making me consider lip fillers, but you know, I'm like a little squirmy person, so I will never be able to do that and never afford it, and will be like, oh, needles in my lips. No, and I'm just not about that fake life. I'm sorry, sorry I offended people then. Oops, controversial. No, I just don't prefer lip fillers, but they may be for you, but they're not for me. I was bored watching Gilmore Girls, so I wasn't bored, but like I was like just trying to figure out some stuff. This is just butterflies, another attempt of a hoodie, don't ask why, and me actually attempting to draw here, just a little scribble page. Yeah, but now I'm going to go edit a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Vlog style. Get lit for... Don't get lit, actually. That is a bad idea, underage. It's not good. Okay, shut up. No, what up? See ya. Peace out, Girl Scout. Hope you guys have a great day, night, wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Hope you guys had a great day. I love you. See you. Bye.